Morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning around 8:45, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 502, and please hit that subscribe button. Okay, so it's Thursday, and so it's claims day. Initial claims were about 10,000 over expectation, with 751,000 initial claims for unemployment. Um, a good number, but still a plateau that we really need to break in order to have the markets really understand where unemployment is. Continuing claims, 7,285,000. That's about in line with what was expected. Okay, so we have from last night, Qualcomm with a big beat and good guidance. The stock is 147.23, and that's up 18.27 or 14%. Costco, same situation, except not as expansive a move. They also beat, and the stock is 381, up about 5 or 1.25%. AstraZeneca is also up minorly, up a dollar or 2% on the fact that their COVID trial is going to start in December. Alibaba, big problem here. They beat both top and bottom line. The numbers are exceptional. The stock traded about 305. And on the headline, but then turned back down and is currently about 284, which is down about $8.50. The holdup there is that 1/3 position in Ant, whose IPO was postponed by the Chinese government. So evidently, Jack Ma said something they didn't like or didn't agree with, and so they pulled his registration. GM had earnings. They were very strong. They beat by over a dollar. The stock is 37.45, up 221 or 6.2%. Hanes, the underwear maker, beat both top and bottom, but gave poor guidance, and the stock is 14 down 237, down 14% with that on that guidance. And CPRI, which is Capri Holdings, which owns Michael Kors and a couple of other those type of companies, had earnings. They were great. The stock is 26 and a half, up 322 or 14%. Oil is down a little. The gold is the chart on the screen, and it looks to me like it may have been a double bottom here in this area around 1850. The low in here is 1859. So looks like we're breaking through. This is the 50-day moving average that we're through. The 5-day, let me make this a little easier for you to see. The 5-day is this purple line, and it's going to the upside. The line in the middle, the blue one, is a 20. So this is the old Dick Donchen 5 and 20, and it is signaling a breakout. We're going to need to see it close a little higher than here, but it is through that. Here it only got up to it. Here it only came close. So we'll have to watch this carefully. So like I said, oil down, gold up, silver. The silver looks pretty much like this gold chart. We're long the AGQ, which is the 2 times leveraged silver ETF, and last I saw it was up about $3. So those calls ought to react pretty nicely. As far as the pre-opening futures, the Dow is up 370. It's been there since I've been awake, which is a couple of hours. The Nasdaq is up 298 and the S&P is up 61. So it looks like it's going to be another continuation day. I cannot stress enough that you really need to keep your position size appropriate when the market gets this overbought and has rallied basically from Friday's low, 2,200 points in 3.5 days. So there you have it. I'll be back later on if I have anything of import to say, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.